Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about if condition. So let's start. I am going to create one class, Kotlin class. If underscore else. So what is the if condition? Here is inside comment I am using some expression. So if is a keyword, else is a keyword, and this test expression is your conditions. Here you are going to write conditions. If this condition will get true, then here some setup of code will be there, then this code will get execute, else this code will get execute, or when this condition will get false, this condition will get execute. Fine. So let's see some example. So I am taking one val a value is equal to 10, val v is equal to 20. Now I am going to make one condition. So I am using if keyword. If a is greater than b, then print a is greater than b, else print b is greater than a. So let me hit run button and we'll see the output. Here showing b is a greater than a. This condition got execute because you can see a is not greater than b, because a is 10 and b is 20. So if we are writing here 10 and 20, so 10 is less than b, right? 10 is not greater than 20. That's what this condition got false and this condition got executed. So we got this output, right? So in Kotlin, see, in any languages, if you are not using this curly braces, still the code will get execute. But if you are writing more number, suppose here I have written only one line, and you wanted to write some more lines here, then you need to use the curly braces. Otherwise, one line if you are using, then no need to use other curly braces, only you can use one line of code. Okay, you can make it like that also, and it will run. See, still the same output got. Same output, b is greater than a. But in Kotlin, if you are going to write in different way, create one value that is a my result is equal to this should be a integer. So int is equal to, here use condition, if a is greater than b, then I am going to print a is greater than b, Let me print here A is greater, and I'll use printed A here. Else print B is greater than A, and I'm going to write the B here, and now I'm going to print ln. It should print, and my condition I'll print here, my result. Okay, so yeah, let me write ln. Now let me run this program and we'll check what output we are getting. This is called Kotlin style. See, here B is a greater than A, and because B is a 20, B is a greater than A, and B value it is printed here 20. One more example we can see. Most of the interview they'll ask these questions. Check whether number is a odd or even. So what we can do it, I'm going to create another program. Even, odd, main function, and here I am going to take the input from the user. Scanner system .in, print enter a number, then receive that number. Number is equal to input dot next int, then you got the number. Now you need to use one condition where you can take any reference. Result is equal to if number mod 2 is equal to 0, then I am going to print even number, else odd number, and then I am going to print the ln my result. Let me run this program. Enter the number. I am entering 8, 6, even number. 6 is a even number. Now again run this program. 7, odd number, again run, check, odd number, even number. So I think you understood the if condition in Kotlin. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this tutorial.